Hi friends, this is part 2 of my Valentine's Day video, and today we're going to be talking all about what to crochet for guys for Valentine's Day. So if you're looking for ideas for anyone in your life, like your dad, brother, husband, son, whatever, this might be a great place to start. I'm going to talk about some general ideas along with specific patterns. I think these are all great patterns for guys, and I hope you enjoy them. So let's just jump right in. And the first pattern I have, and this is kind of my go-to for crocheting anything for guys in general, is a beanie. Super simple, super easy, and they are very customizable. You can make any kind of style, any kind of design that you think suits that person. So I really like the houndstooth pattern, and I think it's really great, easy pattern. It only needs 2 stitches and it works up quick for a really easy, fast gift, but it looks really nice and it's cozy, and it has less holes in between the stitches, which I think is something most guys appreciate. They don't really seem to like the more holy designs. So yeah, so I have this one right here. I'm modeling it, but this I actually made for my cousin a long time ago. Um, but yeah, this pattern I also really like because it is very gender neutral, so it's really easy. I made that one um, for my cousin. It looks really good on me. Uh, and I also just made a new one for my baby. So, I mean, it looks pretty big on here, but I just made this for my baby. Just change up the colors into whatever you think. I'm going to make another one in purple for myself and another one in gray or black for my husband. And it's a super easy matching family set if that's what you're going for. If you live in a colder area, another option you can do is a really nice cozy scarf. Something um, usually a solid one color or something chunky and warm. Just something they can throw on and kind of goes with everything. I really, really like this pattern here called the Fairbrook scarf. Um, I don't know, I just really love it. It feels woodsy and warm and cozy, but it's a handmade gift that I think, shows that you're thinking about them, especially when it's Valentine's and it's cold, and it's a nice idea, I think. If I'm looking down here, it's because I'm looking at my computer going through a list of crochet patterns that I have. Um, you can find this list also on my blog, and I will have it linked down below for if you want to get the direct links and look at a couple more patterns, because I'm not going to be going over all of them in this video. This is just to give you kind of an idea. But if I'm looking over off to the side, that's why. Another great idea is slippers, all kinds of slippers. Cozy, fluffy, warm socks. Being warm and cozy is always a good vibe, and I think these little mustache slippers are a great option for guys. They're cute and silly and just warm, and crochet slippers I think are a bit easier to do than knitted ones, and personally I have a really hard time with knitted slippers, so like this pattern I think seems really great. Okay, moving on to some other things. Home things. Men love home things too. You just gotta find the right thing for them. And I think this remote caddy holder is a really cute idea. This is great for dads, I think. We're always losing their remotes or not having them nearby. Yeah, this is just a nice little thing to hold a remote or, whatever else you want to keep on hand. Glasses, something like that. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not really sure what else I would keep, but there you can keep some stuff nearby, especially when you're just chilling on the sofa. It's a nice place to just have some your handy little things near. If your man likes to cook, you can also make uh, useful kitchen items like pot holders and washcloths. Add a little bit of warmth into the kitchen, and this set right here is perfect. Another good option is something maybe football related, because I think February is also Super Bowl time, and if it's not specifically Valentine's presents, um, a football themed present could be really nice too, like this giant Super Bowl blanket. Um, Again, cozy, warm, something that speaks to their interests. And going along with the whatever sparks their interest, whatever they're into. Another idea is plushies. I think a lot of times plushies people associate with kids, but everybody loves a good plushie, especially if it's of a favorite character or of something that they're interested in. So there's this plushie here of a realistic heart, if that's something that they would like. Or you can go with a character like this Darth Vader right here. You can also make something. I also have a Yoda pattern here. You can make Pokemon. You can make so many different kinds of characters. So whatever they're into, just pay attention, see what they like. Plushies are always fun. They're easy. They're a little bit more work because they involve piecing together to actually look like the thing that they're supposed to look like. But I think it's definitely worth it, and I personally love making plushies, so that's a top choice for me. And yeah, that's all for this video. I actually do have more patterns that I have not mentioned yet, but they will be in the blog post linked down below. So go ahead and check that out if you're looking for more ideas. You can also check out that link below if you're looking for anything to add to your gift, like custom handmade stickers or packaging wrap just to wrap your gift and say like, oh, this is handmade, and I was thinking of you. So I will have the link down below for that, and the labels and wraps are just free downloads that are super easy to get, and just download them, print them out, and attach them to your present. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you guys make something wonderful this Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye!